हाय गाइस, अभी हम लोग आदाबारी टी फैक्ट्री आए हुए हैं, तो चलिए आप लोग को टी फैक्ट्री घुमाया जाए एंड देन वी विल चलिए आपको टी फैक्ट्री घुमाया जाए। यहाँ मैनेजर दिखाएंगे क्या टी है, कैसे चाय बनती है। तो लेट्स सी दी टी फैक्ट्री।
इसको फैला के फिर हाथ
हाँ, इसको पूरा फैला के एक तो थिकनेस है यहाँ पे आपका 6 इंच 8 इंच 10 इंच।
हाँ
इसी थिकनेस के हिसाब से इस पर स्प्रेड होता है, एक लेवल से स्प्रेड होता है। उसके बाद इसका हवा हम लोग माने इन आउट करते हैं। इसका
कैसे नीचे से पंखा चलता है?
हाँ नहीं, वो पंखा उस साइड में है तो उसको सामने चला रहा तो फॉरवर्ड हो जाता है।
हाँ।
और उसको अगर हम लोग पीछे चलाएंगे आपको माने
अच्छा, ये बेल्ट है, चलता रहता है?
नहीं, ये बेल नहीं है।
हाँ।
ये फैन चलता रहता है, हवा। हाँ, हवा उसका थ्रू नीचे से आता है।
अच्छा, इसके थ्रू हवा आती है?
हाँ हाँ,
अच्छा।
फैन पीछे है।
हाँ हाँ,
आगे तक हवा जाता है।
ओके।
तो
आ जाता है अंदर से घुसते हुए हवा यहाँ निकल जाती है।
यहाँ तक आ जाता है। तो ऊपर में अपना पत्ती रहता है,
हाँ।
तो पत्ती का 30% मॉइस्चर, 70% मॉइस्चर उसमें रहता है।
कितना समय लगता है? कितना समय लगता है?
एक ट्रक रेडी होते हैं होने में आपका 12 to 14 आवर्स लगता है। उसके बाद हम लोग जब इसको ऐसे छू के देखते हैं पत्ती को, मेरे पास मीटर भी है मॉइस्चर, तो उसमें हम लोग मीटर तो मॉइस्चर टेस्टिंग होता है कितना मॉइस्चर है इसमें। अब जब 60-70 हो जाता है मॉइस्चर, हम लोग छू के भी देखते हो। छूने में आपका जो कॉटन का जो क्लॉथ होता है उसके साथ होना पड़ेगा।
मतलब बाई एक्सपीरियंस यू कैन मेक आउट की 30% निकल गया,
हाँ 70% हो गया। उसके बाद ये मोनोरेल है, इसमें हम लोग इसको पत्ती को बैग में भर के और इधर से जाता है।
अच्छा, पत्ती जो बैग में भरने का काम है वो मैनुअली होता है?
हाँ नहीं, मैनुअली, वही मैनुअली होता है। वर्कर्स लोग उसको पत्ती को मैंने मोनोरेल में भर के यहाँ से ऐसे आता है।
देखिए गिरेंगे हम। खुद भी गिरेंगे और आपको भी गिरा देंगे।
नहीं दाश
नहीं गिरेंगे, नहीं
oral part, the oral direct time is quite gone. We are starting the production in the factory. We have just started from as per the CRA, 22 February. Yeah.
You said April to November your production time?
That is the main time. But in the time of February and March, this production will go and not very continuous. Running, stop. But after the February,
I very no, nothing is running right now. Because factory holiday. So
unfortunately, we are just coming the project. So, right now, there is no maintenance and no function in the factory. But the normal that we just carrying the leaves from the gardens and just keep in the truck for the purpose of withering. And the process, the moisture percentage in the leaf is near about 70%. Then assume that it's ready for the making tea. We just carry from this monorail.
Achha, this comes through the mono road, which is the bags are hanging from there. Yes. Huh? And then you manually open it here.
Yeah. The lift carried from the house to this place. The lift carried from by the help of bags.
So it is opened manually.
Open. The function is open. Open with the man. The man.
Man standing there, he opens it.
Yeah. This is the rotorman. And the function of the rotorman is that it touching the leaf. And this makes the.
So you cut the leaves. पत्ता कटता है यहाँ पे.
The mechanism over there.
अच्छा.
There is no setting of it. The cutting function is continued in this roller.
So what happens here?
The crushing of the leaf.
Crushing of the leaf.
So after that, by the help of the conveyor, which come the first cut, second, third cut. The roller, there is the two rollers which are running anti-clockwise to each other, and just
तो यहाँ कट कैसे होता है? अच्छा इसके अंदर जाता है.
yeah.
वो अच्छा दोनों ये है ये. देखिए देखिए देखिए. ये पत्ता वहाँ से आया, यहाँ डाले उसके अंदर में, वो जैसे शूट है वहाँ पे, उसमें यहाँ क्रश वो क्या आया, ये फिर ऊपर आया, यहाँ पर जब गिरता है ये रोलर चल रहा है, ये है साफ.
They are moving the anti-clockwise over there.
ओके. सो उसके अंदर से जाता है तो वो कटता है.
And the leaf, the crushed leaf convert into a very fine leaf. And in the last third cut,
So this is the first cut.
first cut,
फिर ऊपर कैसे आएगा? यहाँ से आया.
yeah,
Like this.
with the help of this conveyor, the leaf, the cut leaf, again conveyor, and
This is the second cut.
second cut,
But this thing is ज़्यादा sharp है.
very soft. And the rotation of this rotor is approximately 650 R.
सुई की तरह है. बहुत sharp है, आप नहीं समझे. अच्छा, this is the second cut.
Second cut. Again the process continue.
फिर ये नीचे आया इस तरह से यहाँ से.
Then again this is third cut.
तो और ये और भी sharp है क्या? ये वाला ज़्यादा sharp है. Third cut.
And the fire product is just like a paste. We are using the coated and
अच्छा, that's fine.
the quality of this leaf convert into that kind of quality. That is a googie. It's called googie. Googie. Yeah. The function of this googie is that whenever the leaf crust here and curling, we just throw in the googie. This is moving anti-clockwise. The function of this googie is that just rolling down of the
वो then it becomes like दाना. दाना यहाँ बनता है. Maybe यहाँ बनता है दाना. यहाँ जब कट के यहाँ को फाइनली पाउडर की तरह चला आता है. यहाँ डालते हैं और जब घूमता है तो पाउडर अपने से कोगुलेट करके छोटा छोटा दाना.
This is googie is rolling down clockwise. Moment of the leaf is rolling on.
आइए मेरे साथ आइए. आइए 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 मेरे साथ आइए. मम्मा को घूमने दीजिए इधर आइए.
Cutting leaf.
हाँ, cut
The paste leaf.
अच्छा, it comes almost in the form of paste.
Yes.
Because 70% water is there. So, but by the time it comes here, water content तो कम हो जाता है 2%. Only 2%.
After the advent of the googie, it's again with the
अच्छा,
help
this
of
reduction of water content to 70%. कलर क्या होता है लीफ का?
green.
It remains green.
Green.
And this is also green.
Green. This also stage of the green. After with the help of conveyor, we just throw in the we just can the round tea which falling down on the fermenting machine.
अच्छा, this fermenting machine.
This machine called as a continuous fermenting machine. That is the 5 module of CFM. 1, 2, 3, 4. The function of the module is that release the air. It release the air. The air come from this side to this side. Okay. The leaf is falling down. Air is blow to
Normal air or hot air or what?
normal air. With
Normal
the
air.
moisture. With the moisture.
How much moisture?
Normal moisture.
Normal moisture जो बाहर में है.
Approx 80 to 85 relative humidity is there.
Okay.
So this is continuous.
And if the relative humidity is not 80 to 85%, then you maintain it.
Yeah. Yeah, with the help of the this humidification, we are just using the humidification and maintain the relative humidity in the chamber 85%.
Dust नहीं. Dust तो नहीं होता? Dust?
What kind of dust?
Outside dust नहीं.
No, this is what we have to
वही करें. ये जो हवा इसमें देते हैं ना, वो ह्यूमिडिटी 85% होनी है. तो नॉर्मली यहाँ का वेदर ऐसा है कि 85% ह्यूमिडिटी रहती है उस समय में. यदि नहीं है तो इसको बनाते हैं. बंद है, पूरा इनक्लोज है. यही तो.
Yes, exactly. Most probably approx 80 minutes to 75 minutes is taking the changing the color of tea from green to brown.
So tea leaves, starting from there, it travels up to that point. It takes 80 minutes.
80 minutes.
To travel.
On an average. It depends on the temperature of the room because if the temperature is high, the timing of the fermentation is less.
अच्छा यहाँ पे थोड़ा क्या इसको इंस्पेक्ट करते हैं. You can inspect.
ठीक है नेट है
नहीं है. इसी के ऊपर चलता है. ये रोलर भी धीरे धीरे मूव करता है. वहाँ से वहाँ जाने में इसको 80 मिनट लगता है.
Okay. There is a fermenting process. In that condition, the enzyme and which are included in the tea, we have regulate due to the process of fermenting, the final product is changing the color from green to brown.
Here it becomes brown now.
Exactly. And that is the first final stage. We just stop the.
But CTC का जो बर्ड ये जो राउंडिश टेक्सचर है, that is made there.
mid.
है ना? हाँ तब तक ग्रीन रहता है. यहाँ आके फिर वो फाइनली ब्राउन होता है.
Before the sieving continuous fermenting process, its color is remain green. But after due to the function of the fermenting, the change in color is occurred because there is a lot of enzyme which convert in the change of the color.
Black tea. Yeah.
Then after that, the process of fermenting is continued. So that is the time to stop because there is some property. So we are using this kind of dryer.
Oh, now it becomes a product. Now it's
Converting
expensive.
to the process is not a product. This is the last stage of the product.
Okay. So after fermenting, what do you do?
After that, with the help of conveyor, we just throw in the dryer.
I think this is right here.
There is a hot air coming from this side to this side. You can touch it. There is
Hot.
a plate. There is a plate. There is a proper plate.
Okay.
The hot air comes from the lower side to upside, and the fermented tea is thrown down. And
What is this for?
There is a cyclone. Whenever the tea is drying, there is some stuck fiber is there. So
There is some?
stuck fiber.
Stuck fiber.
So they extract the stuck fiber from this side to outside.
It's thrown away.
There is
So
a
finally you have the this thing.
black tea.
Black tea.
Otherwise, the color of tea is black and brown, brown and black.
It's thrown out, but it's collected somewhere.
Outside.
Outside. Okay.
And the final product of tea is that the moisture percent of this tea near about 3%.
Just 3%.
Only 3%.
So how long does it take from there to here?
Most probably 22 to 30 minutes
Half an hour.
max to max.
And hot air temperature?
Depend on the level of the humidity,
मतलब there of the water content.
level of the stage. I just show you. There is a panel board. They show that they indicate the temperature of the dryer. There is a two places over there, low down and up down. So we convert in the we maintain the temperature in the first zone approx 180 to 122
क्या ये डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड?
temperature.
डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड.
And the upside is 100 to 104, then 40 to 45, 90 to 95. There
It's
is a-
centigrade?
Centigrade. There is a requirement of the tea, which are ready for the dispatch and something on that.
No, but how do you know that what is the water content in the tea? There is no measurement for that.
There is a TRA.
By experience.
By experience, TRA. But we are not required of this thing because after a long time experience, we just.
You know that after touching it.
Hi.
How do you grade the tea?
Okay, come.
यहाँ पे जो आया सो आया सारा एक साथ आता है.
And there's the bulk trees. There is a small grade, big size, small size, medium size. There is a bulk.
The bigger size is supposed to be better, or what?
No, there is not perfect criteria for the big size very good tea and the small size very good tea.
What is the
Nothing
criteria?
The not a big size, not a small size. The medium size of tea is always better.
Okay.
Because in size of the tea, there is the quality and the quantity. There is a few aroma, there is a few taste, there is a few color. There is something very good. So we just prefer the medium size of tea is very good for our taste.
It has the best
aroma.
of everything. Aroma,
Definitely. So there is a tea coming from this side to this side. This is automatic. The tea is coming down on this meshes. There is a different kind of meshes.
Okay.
Different kind of meshes. Filling all this kind.
So the larger one would fall here.
Yes. The larger size of the tea is coming from this side. And the smaller guy is continue.
अच्छा ये large बड़ा वाला दाना है.
Yeah.
ये बड़ा वाला. और मीडियम कौन सा है?
आगे जाएंगे.
So the best quality would be medium here.
You can see.
You can see.
ये बड़ा वाला क्या है?
अच्छा ये वाला है.
There is a fiber. There is a fiber extractor rollers. They are rolling around with the tea.
These are the fibers, na?
This is fiber. This is not a tea. This is fiber.
This is a fiber.
This is made with the tea, which is stuck from tea to.
So where is your medium one? Okay.
ये फाइबर है.
ये फाइबर है.
This one is the medium one.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, this one
This
is the
auto machine
medium.
is separating the medium size of tea
Okay.
from this 20 machine. The finest is there.
This is the medium size.
Yeah.
This is the medium, no?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is a small size of tea.
तो ये सबसे अच्छा
This is the medium one.
देख लो नहीं इसी को नाप के फिर किया जाए. हमें मुझे बड़ी वाला पीते लगता है.
And that one is the finest one.
अच्छा what is the average cost of this medium?
Near about minimum 300 rupees to 400 rupees kilo.
ये सबसे बढ़िया है.
That is a
This one is the finest one, guys.
most probably 400, 500, 600. Because we just sorted out the tea, and for a time we just keep in the bin, and after that we just extract from the bin and just pack in the bags.
This is the bin.
No, not in Guwahati, Kolkata also.
Calcutta also.
Yeah.
So how do you send the samples there?
Yeah. We just pack the tea in this is a half pack bag, and this is a 50 bag. So
But you know samples.
Yeah.
You will be mentioning the batch as well.
yeah, there is a invoice number, batch number. There is a
Invoice number, serial,
I will show
grade.
you. That is a grade. This is a grade. That's a
PF
grade.
is what? PF is what?
We have the pico fanning.
Sorry?
Pico fanning. That is a
अपना मोहल लगा के बेचेगा वो.
that is a packaging unit. It's called the processing unit. There's a lot of centers there. They're just buying the tea from the auctions and the private seller, and they collect in this factory, in own factory, and making the some small pouches, 100 grams. You just
And they give their own name.
Taja, Waha Taj Mahal. That is the only process.
नाम उन लोग देगा.
नाम बोल देता है. Hello. Please tell me what is PF grade?
Actually, I'll just explain you. Depending on size of the tea, there is a different kind of names there. First of all,
These are the standard nomenclature.
no, yeah, that is standard in the
PF grade is such a standard.
It's standard. The worldwide is the same.
Worldwide, yeah.
There is a 8 grade is there. First of all, BPS, broken pico small. Then is a BOP, then BOP SM, then BP, and the PF. Then
You are from top to down level.
top BPS, BOP, BOP SM, BP, PF, PD.
Oh, PF
dust.
somewhere between.
Yes, PF, PD, and dust, and last
ये
C.
ग्रेड है.
So that is the size of dependent size of the name.
8 grades is.
8 grade. On an average, the 8 grade.
ये मतलब रंग में नीचे में चौथा पांचवा. The grade number is 32.4.
No, that is the right time. The weight is 32. That the package in this packet, the PF grade number PF, the invoice number is there, and the serial number is there.
Invoice is the person who is buying it.
This is our invoice.
Your
number.
invoice,
Yes.
okay.
Whenever any complaint from the buyer side and any other side, which is just your invoice number is there and the quantity is there. There is some problem.
Actually, invoice is your batch.
Batch number actually.
This is the batch actually, batch number.
Generally, okay.
194/21. Year 21 manufacture. 194 is what?
100 is serial number.
Acha, but there is no month.
That is the invoice number. This is the batch number of 194. This lot is 194. The serial number of 194 is there.
Matlab, of the year 2021,
Yeah.
there is 194
Batch.
batch. And it does not indicate कि किस महीने का बना हुआ है. That would be mentioned in your report.
It's also mentioned there.
नहीं वो तो नहीं है. And this serial 1516 is 1516 bag of this invoice.
Yeah. March 2021.
Okay. They are 10 kilo pack.
40 kilos.
They are 40 kilos. And those?
This is 32.
Oh, that is 32 kilo.
32 kilos.
Okay. Achha.
And after the packing of this grade by tea, we are sending to Calcutta and Guwahati. And
So you have the warehouse there?
Guwahati and
You don't have warehouse? No. So once somebody places the order, you send directly from the factory to his destination.
we just packed the tea and sent to the only auctions. And the whole department of selling, marketing, purchasing is there only depend on the HO.
No, but then where do you keep this thing?
There is auction tea in the Guwahati.
And they have the warehouse.
Store well there is
Oh,
there.
they
in the
do
Guwahati.
have their own warehouse.
There is a connection between the HO and the warehouse. We have not any connection between that.
And generally, what is the grade for medium size?
BP.
BP.
Broken Pico.
So BP is medium.
Medium.
PF is? So that is also. And the best one is?
BP.
Top one you said something else. No? BP.
Broken Pico.
अच्छा समय कोलकाता लिखा हुआ है
They are going to Calcutta.
BP, your BP auction rate is what? Approximately?
Rate? Huh? That is depend on the 300 to 400.
Between 3 to 4. And PF auction rate?
300, 350.
Achha, not much of difference. 50 rupees. 50 rupees के आसपास.
Actually, the rate is depend on the marketing demand. Right now, we just require the program, the big size of tea is there. But in the month of August and September and October, they demanding the small size of tea because they are using this kind of tea in his processing unit for the packaging. And that time the cost of
How is the tea industry doing now? Political waters क्या करेगा?
they are this is the bolder size of tea which are not required.
This is not required. This is boulder size B. This was the tea factory, and please like, subscribe to watch the videos. और ये 20 मिनट का वीडियो हो सकता है, so please bear with this video, okay?